Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Akron today picking up a post-test Radon Mitigation. They tested above 4.0. With that mitigation system installed, we were able to drop that level down to 0.3. So again, a nice, awesome mitigation job here at Radon Eliminator. Let me walk you guys through this one a little bit because it is a little bit different. You've seen this once on the channel before. But we have a slab-on grade home here, which means there is no basement and no crawl space below the house. It's just a simple slab put on top of the ground, more or less. So in order for us to get below the house to be able to mitigate, we actually have to trench down here. As you can see, that pipe is kind of buried in the ground. And what we do is we actually trench down and create some space below the sub slab into the aggregate gravel underneath, and then we drill our sub slab depressurization through the outside. Clear out a little bit of space and install our pipe right here on the outside of the house, and then run it straight up. You can see here we have our manometer sitting on the side showing that it's got some really good pull to it. We use one of our bigger fans, a GX4, and then again wire it right into the house with its own dedicated electrical box here with a little switch, conduit running to the fan, and then running that pipe straight up the side of the house and exiting 12 inches above the roof line there per Ohio State code. So again, another really good mitigation here, and one that we don't have to see too often, but absolutely something within our wheelhouse that we're able to take care of for you. So thanks for checking us out, and make sure you stay tuned for more content. Thank you.